Today, TSC Auto ID introduces two new chargers for mobile printers. The 12 to 24 volt DC power adapter is designed for vehicles that have a cigarette lighter socket. Our specifically designed QC 3.0 USB cable allows charging to be done in vehicles that have a 3.0 USB port that provides an output of 12 volts. For vehicles that do not have a cigarette lighter socket or a 3.0 USB port, such as forklifts, stackers, or cargo vehicles, we have a 12 to 60 volt power charger with an open-ended input wire. The open-ended positive and negative wires can be connected to the vehicle battery or distribution channel. Those two types of chargers provide for the charging of mobile printers across many different vehicles. The power chargers are compatible with all our TDM and Alpha Series model printers, so you can work without changing power sources. Visit tscprinters.com to learn more now.